Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back and tuning in. My name is Megan and this is a place where I like to do makeup, talk about fitness, health, fashion, all the things that I truly love. So thank you guys for tuning in today. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, become a part of the fam. And don't forget to like this video. It helps support my channel. It shows me what kind of videos you guys enjoy. Today I'm doing this really simple out the door look. This is something that if you're in a hurry, you have errands to run, you still want to look put together, but you want to just get it done in a quick amount of time, this is the look for you guys. So please continue watching if you guys want to see how to achieve this look. You guys, so I'm about to head out the door, so I wanted to just film a quick kind of simple out the door, get ready with me. On the days when I have to run errands, get things done, I don't like to do like a full face of glam. I know that's surprising. It's true. There's days that I'm just like, not in the mood. I just want to get out the door. I already did the brows because let's be honest, I don't leave without brows on. And I did apply my foundation already as well. And I used the Nars Radiant Longwear Foundation in Stromboli. Just makes the skin look so glowy, beautiful. Look at it. It looks pretty good today, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna go in and just start adding a little bit concealer to the eyes. And this is just going to get rid of any discoloration, redness, just kind of even it out, creates a nice base for your eyeshadow as well. Concealer I use today is the MAC Studio Fix Concealer. This is in the shade NC25. So I like to just buff that over the eyes, and even on the days when I do like a no makeup kind of look, I still will do this step because I have like red eyelids, so I like to just even out the color and add a little bit of concealer. All right, and then I also just take my brush that I use for my under eye powder. I just take the brush because it has a little bit left on it, and I just lightly just kind of tap it over the eyes, and this just like sets the concealer. Now when I'm just wanting to go out the door, not do like a crazy eye makeup look, I always grab my bronzer and add a little bit of bronzer in the crease of the eyes. What I like about doing that is it just keeps this kind of monochromatic look and it just looks more natural. So I'm using my Smashbox Bronzer. This is in the shade Bronze Lights, and I'm using my Morphe brush. This is an M433 brush. I'm just gonna lightly start to dust that in the crease, and it just adds a super natural effect to the eyes, like giving your crease a little bit of depth, still keeping everything really natural and just gorgeous. And when I'm blending that, I just use like windshield wiper movements kind of. Yes, I love that bronzer. I'm going to add just a touch of color to the lids using my Fenty Beauty matchstick, and this is in the shade Trippin. It's a beautiful, kind of like a mango, coral, peachy kind of shade. This is actually like a highlighter, but I like to apply some on my finger, and I just like to warm it up, and it just adds this really sheer bit of color to the lid. I'm just going to add a little bit of concealer to the under eyes just to make us look a little bit more awake, a little more lively, but I'm not going to go crazy. Usually I go crazy, but we're going to keep it chill today. Then taking my beauty blender, just going to blend it into the skin. And I always take it like up the sides of the nose just to add a little bit of kind of natural contour. You always want to do concealer, I think, on the under eyes just because it makes you look more awake. It just completes the look, you know. I might just use a little bit of what's left on my brush just to kind of set it, but I'm trying to keep this look more dewy, glowy, so I don't want to go too crazy on the powder. And let's be honest, when you're going out the door, you don't have the time. Then picking up my Hourglass palette, I'm going to use a little bit of this bronzer in here. It's such a pretty bronzer with my Fluffy It Cosmetics brush. And we're just going to add just a touch of color to the face. And in the winter, I need this, okay? Because I be pasty. Make sure you get around your jawline and your neck. Just gonna give you a nice, healthy glow. See? Now you could add blush if you like. If you don't, and that's just not your thing, you don't need to. But for today's video, I'll show you guys what the look looks like using this shade right here. It's a really, really pretty, kind of a peachy blush with like hints of gold in it. This zit, you guys, has been playing me. I'm gonna curl the lashes to give them a little lift. I always do this step just to make me look more awake. And using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Primer, I'm just gonna add a little bit of that to the lashes. If you guys have seen my other videos, I have talked about this mascara a lot. I mean, at this point, I should be like an ambassador for them or something because I'm so obsessed with it. I add the Lash Paradise over the top. And we're not doing lashes today just because that's a little bit, I think, high maintenance for this specific look. For all you ladies out there that have lash extensions, you are lucky. This mascara though, you guys, look at it. Oh, and then it's totally up to you if you want to do mascara on the bottom lashes or not. I think for this look, I'm just gonna skip it. Just keep it chill. I'm gonna add a little bit of that Fenty matchstick and just using my finger again, I'm just gonna dab it on the high points of the face. Just to add a little bit extra glow. Just gonna boop, just a little bit on the nose to give it a little bit of highlight. And Cupid's bow. All right, you guys, and then just set the face with any sort of setting spray. You could even use like a skin mist that's like a hydrating one or brightening, any sort of mist to kind of lock everything in and give yourself that extra glow. And then lastly, I like to always just throw a little bit of lip gloss over the top. Today I'm using one of my favorite lip glosses of all time. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brûlée, and it's just the perfect nude. All right, you guys, this is my easy out the door 5-minute look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to do something that was like quick, easy, simple, something that anybody can do, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys.